So this app enables you not to do anything, but you can just earn from it. When I say anything, that doesn't mean that you're not engaging in doing anything. So what this app does, it pays you by working. All right, so if you miss work tax, I remember I did a video on that long time ago and a lot of people cash out from it. Guys, I am not promising you that you're going to be rich when you use this app, all right, but you're definitely going to make some side cash, all right, for your pocket. Now guys, I want to show you how you can make money with this app by just putting it in your pocket and you're working and it's calculating for you. Also, you can do other activities which I'm going to explain to you. If you're interested in what I've just said right now, do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Make sure you watch the video to the end so that you can see how you can place your withdrawal when it's time for withdrawal. So I just signed up into this app, but I've seen a lot of people do the test about this app, so I decided to bring it quickly to my subscribers so they can see how they can go ahead and try this app. So let's go. So when you sign up, right, I'm going to leave the link for you to sign up in my Telegram and WhatsApp community. So you just check the comment section, click on the link there, you just go to my community and then you're going to get the sign up link. All right guys, and let's go on. So what you need to do here, when you just enter into the app, this is how it's being displayed. All right, like as you see this daily box now, if I can click on open, right, click on open, this one here. You click on that, like you want to sign up for today your daily box, you're going to get an ad that will pop up and then you're going to watch it and then you get paid. All right, so I just got paid 1 coin which I just claimed. So if I still want to click on this again, I'm going to click on it and an advert is still going to pop up. So you can see guys, you have a lot to click on for the day. All right, so coming down here, this is where you check in day by day and you get paid also coins. Right, today I've checked in, right, as you can see I get paid. So what I have here now is just 55 coins. Now let's go to the second segment. Right now in calculation here, this place I'm showing you here, this is where as you're walking he's calculating your steps for you. All right, he's calculating your steps and then that is where those steps are being accumulated in coins and then they end up paying you. So let's check the other bonuses. As you can see, you can invite your friend. Right, when you invite your friend, let me show you, you get 50 coin. This is it here. Now this is my referral code. So if I invite one friend, I get 50 coin. All right, 50 coin for you and your friend. So they're actually giving out 100 coin. All right, so now let's go to the next phase. All right, as you can see, this place here, event. Right, if I click now, you have 8 videos here to watch. I already watched one. So when I click on it, an ad is going to pop up and they're giving 5 coins for it. Here also they are giving you coin, all right, for it.
So I just got paid this coin. Now you have other segments. You can actually take survey, you can actually play games, right? From there you get paid by doing all these small tasks. All right, so now I think it's time for us to go and see where we can actually place our withdrawal. So that's where we are going to now. So this is where you can place your withdrawal, right? Minimum withdrawal there is $5 and you can withdraw with your PayPal. Alright guys, go ahead and try it and come and tell me back later. I'll definitely do a video to show you how I was able to make my withdrawal here on this channel. Remember, it's how you can make money online without investment. That is what we do here. Alright guys, see you on my next video. Alright, bye bye.